Hey everyone, Shawnus here. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Clickbank and how fast you can become successful in it. All right. So I'm going to talk about two important factors that affect how fast you're going to become successful with Clickbank, especially if you're starting your online business and you're not really familiar with the affiliate marketing, or you're just starting up, kind of learning things slowly. So the first and most important fact when it comes to becoming successful on Clickbank, and becoming successful on Clickbank quickly, is your strategy. Okay, now let me tell you about a Clickbank strategy. One of the biggest mistakes when it comes to Clickbank is a lot of marketers send traffic directly to a Clickbank offer, and that's a huge mistake because that's the easiest way. And many people who start on Clickbank want to make money online easy, right? And let me tell you something, making money online easy is not possible. You need to put some work to make things happen for yourself. So one of the biggest mistakes is that people send traffic directly to a sales page, and that's a mistake, because what you need to do is you need to send traffic from your send traffic to a landing page, squeeze page, get names, emails, and put those names and emails through a good sales funnel, and then start selling. That's how you make a lot of money in Clickbank. That's the difference between someone who makes $50 a week and someone who makes $50,000 a month. So that's what really important. Your strategy, what kind of strategy you have, where is your traffic coming from, and where are you sending out traffic to. So that's really important to consider. The next one, which is something that and it's one of those things that really people don't get it, and people who actually get it are people who will become successful on Clickbank. Not just Clickbank, but in fact any affiliate marketing network or any kind of online business, is the amount of time and money you invest on your business is going to determine how successful you're going to become in it. All right, so let me tell you something. When I started my online business like 6 years ago, I was putting a lot of time into it. I wasn't making any money, but I was putting a lot of time and effort into this, and I was spending every money that I could spend on it. Okay, I wasn't just having this thing as an idea, like I was just thinking about it, and it was like a side hobby or something like that. It was something serious for me from the beginning. And if you want to become successful on Clickbank and become successful fast, you need to take this whole business serious. Okay, so make sure to take it serious. Invest time and money, because let me tell you something, I have a full video about this. It's not possible to make money online for free. Okay, you need to invest some money. At some point you have to invest some money on something, and if the more money you invest, the more money you're going to make. And something that people say is that I'm gonna start like free, or I'm not gonna spend that much money from the beginning to make some money, and then I'll see I'll invest more in future if I get some results. And that's a huge mistake, and that's why people fail. Okay, you need to learn that you're gonna have to invest some money, some good amount of money on Clickbank or any other marketing or any other business in order to become successful. You cannot start from minimal amounts. All right, so keep that in mind. So that's how these two, your strategy and the amount of time and money you invest on Clickbank are going to determine how fast you're going to become successful on Clickbank. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more videos like this in future, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I usually answer comments real quick, and I'll see you in the next video.